So hello students, in this video we will be studying about the process of credit rating. Means what are the various process involved, steps involved in credit rating. So let us study. So this is a process. It includes 9 steps. So one by one we'll study. The first step is receipt of the request. Okay, it means the rating process here begins with the receipt of a formal request for rating from a company. Means here first the rating process means when a receipt is given for a formal request, means a formal request of rating from a company will be having to means to issue its obligations, to understand what are the obligations under the proposed instrument by the credit rating agency. What happened in this receipt of the request, an agreement has been entered into the between the rating agency and with the issuer of the company. Okay, means an agreement has been signed here between the rating agency and the issuer company. Okay, the agreement here agreement spells out the terms of rating assignments and covers certain following aspects. Means the first it means it requires the credit rating agency to keep the informations confidential. Means whatever the issuer company has been requested, means the information should be confidential between the rating agency and the issuer company. And one more, it gives the right to the issuer company to accept or not to accept the rating. Means once the credit rating agency the rating has been given, means it belongs to the issuer company whether the rating whether to accept or not. And one more, in this receipt of the request, it requires that the issuer company should provide all the material informations to the rating agency companies for rating and subsequent survivals. These are the various steps involved in the receipt of the request. What happens, an agreement has signed here between the rating agency and issuer company. Means issuer company had told that I want to get the rating of that company. Means whatever the information should have means the information should be given to the agency company. Appropriate information should be given, as well as once the rating has given, means according to his wish to the issuer company whether you want to accept that rating or not. This is the first step. Next comes second step, that is called assignment of analytical team. Means here what happens, once the above request has been come, means the rating agency has accepted the request, then what happens in this, the credit rating agency what it does, he assigns the job to his analytical team. Sorry, it provides jobs to the analytical team. What he says, the team usually comprises of 2 members. Means it usually consists of two analytical team. Means they have who have their expertise or experience in the relevant business area and are responsible for carrying out the rating assignment. This is the second step. Means assignment what happens in the assignment of analytical team means, once the request has been came, means the credit rating agency will assign a job to the analytical team. In this analytical team there will be 2 members who have expertise in this, especially in those business area, and they are the responsible for carrying out the rating assignment. Next comes obtaining information. Here what happens, the analytical team they obtains the request informations from the client company. Here issuers are usually provided a list of data of information requirements, as well as a broad framework for certain discussions. As well as this as you can say, these requirements are derived from the experience of the issuer business, and broadly they confirms usually they confirms all the aspects which have been bearing on the rating. Here what means the analytical team analyzes the informations relating to the financial statements, like such as cash flow projections, what are the cash flow projections are there, as well as the other relevant informations. Next comes plan visit and meeting with the management. Means in this, to obtain classification and better understanding of the client's operations. Here the team of two members visit and interacts with the company's executives. Okay, in plan and visit what happens, here what happens, the two teams of members will visit the company's executives. They visits like plant visits, like facilitate understanding of the production process, assess of the state of equipments and main facilities. Also they evaluate the quality of technical personal information, personal, and form an opinion on the key like of variables that means that influence level of quality and cost of production. As well as a direct meeting is maintained with the issuer company and enables to the rating agency to incorporate non-public informations in the rating decisions, and also enables the rating to forward looking. Also they includes competitive positions, like what are the logics they use, what are the financial policies they have, what are the financial data they have. Next comes presentations of finding. After completing the analysis, the findings are discussed. How they discuss? At the length in the internal committee only, means within the company members only. Also they take a senior analytical members of the credit rating agency. Means all the issue having a bearing of rating is identified, and opinion on the rating is also formed. The finding of the team are finally presented to the rating committee. Next comes rating committee meeting. Next step is rating committee meeting. In this is a final authority. Means rating committee meeting is a final authority for assigning the various rating to the companies. The rating committee meeting is the only aspect of the process, means in which the issuer does not participate directly. Means in rating committee meeting, this is a final authority of meeting. In this the issuer does not participate directly. Means the rating is arrived after the composite assessment of all the factors concerning about the issuers, with the key issues getting greater attention. Next step is communication of discussions. Here what happens, the assigned rating grade is communicated finally to the issuer along with the reasons or rationale supporting the rating. The rating which are not accepted are either rejected or have been reviewed in the light of additional facts also provided by the issuer. The rejected ratings are not disclosed, and complete confidentially is maintained. Next step is dimensions of the public. Once here what happens, when the issuer, means issuer of the company, accepts the rating, the credit rating agencies disseminate it through printed report to the public. Means once the issuer, whatever the ratings have given, accepted, then the credit rating what happens, they prepare a report in hard copies. Next comes monitoring for possible change. Means once the company as you say had decided to use the rating, here the credit rating agencies are obligated to monitor and to accept the ratings over the life of the instrument. Next, the credit rating agency constantly monitors all the ratings. How they monitor the ratings? With reference to a new, like political, economic and financial development, and also through industry trends. Means all this information is reviewed regularly to find companies for their major rating changes, and if any changes in the rating are made through public published reports by credit rating agencies. Means they monitor all the possibility changes in these last steps through the public reports by the credit rating agency. So this is a process of credit rating agency.